Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully, or welcome if you're new here and just joining us. Either way, I am so excited to have you here for today's video where I'll be cleaning up the kitchen before we update the hardware on our cabinets. My hope that the content I post here each week on Living Gratefully is helpful and encouraging to you, and we do a variety of videos like cleaning, homemaking, shopping hauls, DIY, recipes, travel, and so much more. So I'd love to have you as a viewer. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified of all my videos, and let's get started. Alright y'all, I'm going to get this kitchen clean so I can get a good before shot of our cabinets with the old hardware on them. So let's get to speed cleaning. I've never used Norwex cloths, but my sister had a party, so I went ahead and ordered a few. Let me know if y'all use them and if you like them and what's your favorite. I bought the Enviro cloth and the window cloth, and I haven't started using them yet, mainly because I just love my dish soap cleaner and my regular microfiber cloths, but I'm sure they're great and it's always nice to try something new, so let me know in the comments below if you guys use them.
Nothing I can do. When I'm with you, I lose myself. I feel good. Oh, yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charger around us.
I'm cleaning my granite countertops with my DIY dish soap spray. It's just dish soap and water that I keep refilling in this old Windex bottle. I just love it so much. It's my favorite cleaner. And talk about being inexpensive. It's just amazing stuff. That video will be linked below as well if you missed that. And in a little while you'll see me refill the bottle because we'll use that to clean behind the knobs when we take the old off before replacing with the new black knobs. Here I'm doing my little eye level test to see any crumbs or smudges on the countertops. You really, with these granite countertops, you really cannot see. All the crumbs blend in with the design. We really do. We have a huge kitchen and we're very blessed to have all of this counter space and cabinet space, but it does take a while to clean it, as you can see.
so tired of love songs. Life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs.
These are the extra coffee pods that we brought home from the beach, so I'm putting them in the holder. We actually have an old Keurig machine, one that still works. We just wanted one with a bigger water tank for our everyday use, but we kept the old one and we keep it in our travel stuff when we take it to the beach with us. Sometimes there's like a regular coffee pot and we like our Keurig, so at least we'll have that. And also back in the days when there was always just a coffee pot and not usually a Keurig, nowadays a lot of places have a Keurig in there for you. But if it is a regular coffee pot, Nana likes decaf, and so she'll brew, her decaf coffee, but then, what do you do with a whole pot of hot coffee if, you're not drinking it yet, and then someone else wants to brew like regular? So that's when we started bringing our own Keurig, so we could be brewing regular, the multiple people in the house who wanted that, or if they wanted decaf or hot tea or whatever, and then whoever wanted to use the regular coffee pot for decaf could do that. Okay, this is all of the before shots. We had purchased one knob and went ahead and switched that out so we could test it, and each day as we were using the kitchen we could see if we liked it. This was neat too because when we had company over, we could ask them what they thought, and pretty much everyone liked it, so we decided to go for it. I'm pretty sure that the gold or brass knobs are original to the house, which is 20 years old. We've lived here in our home for 10 years. Ever since we moved in, Scott said it would be great to update the knobs, but I was like, let's just wait because gold is probably going to come back soon, which I was right, gold did come back, but at the time everything was brushed nickel and I just knew that trend would change. Plus the gold looked good and I was like, why change it? It was working and it looked good with the color of the cabinets, and I don't know, I just didn't want to change it at the time. But with our recent update to the decor in here, using mostly black and white to add a little farmhouse vibe to our mostly brown kitchen, which if you didn't see that video, I'll have it linked below and in the cards in the top right corner. But since we changed that decor, we thought the matte black would look nice in here. And for just $2.98 per knob, which we picked up at Home Depot, it's a relatively easy update to make. So let's go ahead and get this changed.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the...
Alright y'all, we were getting ready to put the knobs on, our new knobs, but we needed to take a little break and have some lunch. So we had black-eyed peas and those chicken nuggets like from Sam's that taste like Chick-fil-A with Chick-fil-A sauce and mashed potatoes, Scott's famous mashed potatoes. There's a video on that if you need to check that out. And I got a little lunch on my shirt, so I am going to use this foaming hand soap. It's just dish soap and water, and I will take that spot off and then we'll put our knobs on.
Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep.
Yeah, they need to know how well it works.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no.
Just so y'all know, after my shirt dried a little bit, I realized it didn't get the stain out, so I went back in with just my dish soap spray, the amazing magic spray, and microfiber, and that did the trick. I'm telling you, it's amazing stuff. That old Windex bottle of mine holds some magic spray, as my friend Molly says. Anyway, I kept wearing the shirt, and you can see later as you watch the video that the stain disappears. Are we gonna have any extra or no?
Yeah, okay. I mean, I figured I wanted to have a few extra in case like one might not work right or something.
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention, so you would say yes. I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
People get to see the messy insides of them.
Yeah. They're heavy too.
Fiber, Miralax. More Miralax. More Miralax. Enough Miralax to keep you shipping for a quarter.
Whatever works.
It did get you going again, didn't it?
I did.
We should be proud of it.
Okay, y'all, here we go. We're getting ready to show the after shots. We have a big kitchen, so we had 49 knobs to replace. We kept the gold knobs for now. We put them in his big Ziploc bag with their screws. And I just want to thank you guys so much for the amazing support that you guys give Living Gratefully, from the sweet comments and faithful views and likes, and the way my subscriber count is growing each week. I'm amazed at how wonderful my subscribers are. I also love hearing from you guys over on Instagram. I try to reply to all my comments and direct messages, so please let me hear from you. You guys make my day when I get to hear what is going on in your lives, or if you like my videos, what is your favorite stuff, what has been helpful to you, questions you have, on all of that. So that's it. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Just thought I should let you know.